Welcome to Daily Dose of Yoga. Today's 10-minute flow is all about balancing and energizing the throat chakra. Let's begin by finding our breath. We've got these beautiful red rocks behind us, and we'll start with a nice, easy lateral neck stretch. Gently lower your right ear towards your right shoulder and feel that stretch through the side of your neck. Switch sides. This pose releases tension in the neck, clearing physical blocks and inviting energetic flow through the throat chakra, your center of communication and listening. Start to make your way to lizard pose. Step your right foot forward. Let your hips sink and your chest lift slightly. This hip opener grounds the body while gently opening the front of the throat and invites vulnerability. Switch sides. Way to a forward fold. Let your head hang heavy. Forward fold, quiet mental noise brings attention inward. As the neck releases, space opens up for your inner voice to rise. Place your hands in front of you, feet back for downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, lengthen your spine, and feel your breath move. This pose energizes the body, clears that stagnant energy from your shoulders and your neck. This is going to free your voice and your truth. Downward facing dog, reach your right hand towards your left ankle or shin, twisting your torso gently. Switch sides. This revolved shape brings out the tension in our spine and our neck, awakening a clear, honest expression. Switch sides again. Opposite side. Turn to face the side of your mat. Widen your stance and forward fold. This inversion encourages circulation to the head and the throat, enhancing mental clarity and authentic expression. Out in front of you as you lower down in a seated position, crossing your legs up and over, and lean forward. switch sides, lifting up and over opposite legs and lean forward. Focus on your breath. Palms pressed together as you sit, twist, lift your chest. Legs in front of you as you lower down to bridge pose. Press your feet and lift your hips. Keep your throat soft. Bridge pose gently stimulates the thyroid and opens the chest, energizing that throat chakra. Slowly lower down. Get ready for a shoulder stand over to plow. Support your back with your hands. You can stay here and plow or do a shoulder stand. This activates the throat and the thyroid. Let's start to move back to a dolphin pose. Down to your forearms and lift your hips up. Focus on your shoulder strength. Feel the confidence that this pose will bring. Lower down, arch your chest, letting the crown of your head rest on your mat. You're in fish pose. This heart and throat opener counterbalances the shoulder stand and invites openness. Start to move back to a dolphin pose. Come down to your forearms and lift your hips up. Lower all the way down. And we'll come to a seated position. Find your way to lotus, or try to find your way into lotus. If you need to stay just in the seated position, that's okay too. But here in lotus, gently begin to focus on your breath, constricting the back of your throat to create a soft ocean sound. This breath work soothes the nervous system and awakens your throat chakras. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to let the sound of your breath echo within. And I'll see you next time